Exercise 13.1 in that question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. So in this way. Okay. So here this is one hemisphere and this is another hemisphere. Okay. The length of the entire capsule is 14 mm. This is 14 mm. And the dia of the capsule is 5 mm. This is diameter is 5 mm. So now here the radius, this is equal to 5 by 2. So this is 5 by 2. And here also this radius is equal to 5 by 2. Okay. And this is total 5 mm means this is also 5 by 2. So now here find its surface area we have to calculate. So total surface area of this capsule is equal to the surface area of cylinder. Okay. Cylindrical shape is there, no? Here in this between this cylinder plus, so plus 2 into here this is hemisphere. There are two hemisphere. So 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere, because surface area of the cylinder. So this portion is over. Okay. So after that this is one hemisphere and this is another hemisphere. Okay. So surface area of cylinder, the formula for this one is equal to 2 pi RH, where R is the radius and H is the height of the cylinder. So R is the radius. R is nothing but that is diameter divided by 2. So here the diameter is given 5 mm. So 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is the radius. This is 5 by 2 mm. So now height. So this height is total, here total it is given as 14 mm. Okay. So the radius here, the radius is nothing but what? This is 5 by 2. Okay. So 1 5 by 2 minus 1 5 by 2 and here also 5 by 2. So 14 minus of 5 by 2 minus of 5 by 2. Okay. So the radius length. So H is equal to, that is the height of cylinder is equal to, so total length of capsule minus 2 into radius of hemisphere. So here this total length is equal to 14 minus 2 into here 5 by 2. Radius is equal to 5 by 2. Diameter is 5 means radius equal to 5 by 2. So here this 2 cancel. So 14 minus 5 is equal to 9. So this is 9 mm. So now we can calculate the surface area of the cylinder. So surface area of the cylinder is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R means 5 by 2. So H means 9. Okay. So here 2 ones are 2 11s are. So this surface area of cylinder is equal to 22, that is 2 into 11, 22, 22 into 5, 110 into 9. So here divided by 7. So this is equal to, surface area is equal to 141.42. This is square mm. Okay. This is mm square. 2 into, this is curved surface. That is curved surface area of hemisphere here is equal to 2 pi r square. So here this is equal to 2 into 22 by 7 into here r means radius 5 by 2. That is 5 by 2 into, so here 1 2 will get cancelled. So 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 5 5 is a 25 into 11 divided by 7. Okay. So this is equal to 275 divided by 7. Okay. So this is equal to CSA of hemisphere is equal to what? So this is equal to what? 7 3 is 21. Okay. 7 3 is 21. 65. 7 7 is 7 8 is 7 9 is 63.2. 2 means 7 2 is 14. 60. 7 8 is 56. So this is equal to, 39.28 square centimeter, square mm. So here there are 2 are there. So here then total surface area is equal to this one, that is surface area of cylinder, okay, plus 2 into curved surface area of hemisphere. So now we will substitute here. This is 141.42 plus 2 into 39.28. Okay. So this is equal to, so here this is equal to 219.98. So this is approximately equal to 220. So 220 square mm. Okay. So exercise 13.1 in that question number 7. Okay. A tent is in the shape of a cylinder surmounted by a conical top. Okay, so here this is one tent is there. So rough diagram I'll put. So this is cylindrical tent. So here, so after that is top of that one, there is a conical top is there. So like this, conical top is there. So if the height and diameter of the cylindrical part are, so this cylindrical part height, this height is equal to 2.1 meter. Okay, height of this one, and 4 meter, this height and diameter. So this is a diameter. So dia is equal to 4 meter, and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter. So this also he has given. So 2.8 meter is the slant height. So this height he has given. So find the area of the canvas used for making the tent. That is, area of the canvas means total area. That is total surface area you have to calculate. So after that, find the cost of the canvas of the tent at the rate of 500 per meter square. So this total area we have to calculate. So per square meter it is rupees 500. Per square meter it is 500. So how much for this square meter? That we have to calculate. See, note that the base of the tent will not be covered with the canvas. So here the base area. So the base area we have to deduct here. Here I will put a neat diagram here. So here this one I will rub here. So here we have to find out total curved surface area, because the base portion is not there. Okay. So only curved surface area we have to calculate. So total surface area, which is equal to curved surface area of cylinder, okay, plus the curved surface area of cone. Okay, these two things we have to calculate. So first we will calculate the curved surface area of cylinder. This is equal to, we know that this is equal to 2 pi RH. So where R is the radius, which is equal to 4 meter divided by 2, because 4 is the diameter. So this is 2 meter. So H is height. Height he has given, that is 2.1 meter he has given. So now we will substitute here 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R means 2 into 2.1. Okay. So here 7 ones are 7.3 here it is. So this is 88 into 0.3. So this is equal to 26.4. So this is square meter. Okay. So now this we got. So curved surface area of the cone. So here curved surface area of cone is equal to pi RL. Okay. So L also he has given, that is 2.8 meter. So here radius is 2. Okay. So now we will calculate this one. So this is equal to 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to 2 into 2.8. Okay. So 7 ones are 7.4. Okay. So here 44 into 0.4. So here this is equal to 17.6. Okay, 17.6. This is square meter. So now total area will be this is total surface area here is equal to 26.4 plus 17.6. So this is equal to 6, 4, 10. So 0.1 here, 8 plus 6, 14, 1. So 44. So total surface area, that is equal to 44 square meter. Okay. So now what he has given, so 500 rupees per square meter. So we have to calculate the cost, find the cost. Okay. So here for 1 square meter, so RS 500. Okay. So for 44 square meter, so how much cost? So this is 500 divided by 1 into 44. So which is equal to, so this is equal to 22,000 rupees. Okay. This much of amount is required for constructing this type of canvas, this type of tent. So exercise 13.1 in that question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter is 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter is hollowed out. So it has been taken out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to the nearest square centimeter. So we have to approximate that area afterwards. One cylindrical solid cylinder is there. So here like this. So in that a conical cavity of the same height and same diameter. So conical cavity like this. So this part has been removed from this one. Okay. This part has been removed from this block. So then we have to find out the area of this one. That is total surface area we have to find out. So the total surface area will be this one. That is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Here curved surface area of the cylinder plus this base area. Okay. So this base area of cylinder plus, so this area, that is internal, that is curved surface area of cone. Okay, so like this we have to calculate. So I will put a neat diagram here. This is the cylindrical portion. So 2.4 centimeter this is height and 1.4 centimeter this is diameter. So here this conical shape has to be taken out. This has to be carved out. So now what is how to calculate the surface area? That is total surface area of this block is equal to here curved surface area of cylinder. Okay. So total surface area of the cylinder we should not take here. Only we have to take curved surface area of the cylinder plus here the base area of this cylinder, because we have taken only curved surface area, and this base area of the cylinder, that is base area of cylinder. Okay. So then here plus this curved surface area of this one, this conical section, because this has been carved out, no? So this surface area we have to take, that is curved surface area of cone. So like this. So we will calculate one by one. That is CSA of cylinder. Here this is equal to 2 pi RH. So here R is the radius. R is equal to radius means 1.4 centimeter divided by 2. This is equal to 0.7. So here height is 2.4 centimeter. So this is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R means 0.7. Okay. Into H means here 2.4. So this is equal to, see here 7 1 ja, this is 7.1. Okay. This is 0.1. So here 44 into 2.4 into 0.1. Okay. So this is equal to 10.56. Okay. 10.56. So you can multiply here 44 into 24 into 1 like that. So here you can make here. So this is square centimeter. Okay. So now base area of the cylinder, that is base area of cylinder. So this is equal to pi r square. This is pi r square. So this is 22 divided by 7 into R means 0.7. 0.7 into 0.7. Okay. So here this 7.1. So this is equal to 22 into 0.7 into 0.1. So this is equal to, see here, this is equal to 22. Okay, 7. So 7 2 is 14, 1. 7 2 is 14, 154 into 1 means 154. So here this is 1 and 2 points. So this is 1.2 point. So this is equal to 1.54. This is equal to 1.54, that is 0 centimeter. So now curved surface area of the cone here. Curved surface area of the cone is equal to, this is pi RL. Okay. Pi we know, radius also we know, but L we don't know. So this can be calculated. See here, this one, the radius will be, this is 0.7. Okay. This is 0.7. So this height also we know, that is 2.4 centimeter. This L slant height we have to calculate. So this is equal to C. This is Pythagoras theorem. So we can put here. In this way it is there. Okay. This is 0.7. Okay. And this is 2.4 centimeter. So this we have to calculate. This is L. Okay. So for this is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. So here L square is equal to 0.7 square plus 2.4 square. Okay. So here L square is equal to 0.7 square means 0.49. Okay. That is 7 7 is 49. Okay. 7 7 is 49 means this is equal to 0.49. So plus here 2.4. Okay. This is equal to, so this is equal to 5.76. So L square is equal to 5.76 plus 0.49. Okay. So this is equal to 6.25. So L is equal to square root of 6.25. So actually we know that 625 square root is equal to, this is 25. So okay. So this is 2.5. This is L is equal to 2.5. Okay. So this is L is equal to 2.5. So this is 2.5. So now we will calculate this curved surface area of the cone. So this is now, so this curved surface area of cone, CSA of cone is equal to, so 22 divided by 7 into radius is equal to 0.7. So into this is 2.5. Okay. So this 7.1. Okay. So 22 into 0.1 into 2.5. Okay. So here 22, 25 we will multiply. 5 2 is 10. So 11. Here 44. So 0, 5, 5. See here 1, 2 points. So here this one. This is equal to 5.5. This is 5.5 square centimeter. So now total area. So now total surface area is equal to, all we have to add 10.56 plus 1.54 plus 5.5. So this is equal to 17.6. This is square centimeter. So this is the area. So here he has told that is to calculate the nearest centimeter square. That is nearest square centimeter is equal to, this is approximately equal to 18 square centimeter. Okay, this is the solution. We'll go for next one. Exercise 13.1. In that question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of the solid cylinder. Okay, see here. This is a cylinder, it is there. So from this, from the both the end, hemispherical portion has been carved out. So that has been removed here. That is in the bottom and in the top. So as shown in this figure. If the height of the cylinder is 10 centimeter. So this 10 centimeter, this is the height of the cylinder. So now, and it's the base is of radius 3.5 centimeter. So here radius only has given. This distance is equal to, so this is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So find the total surface area of the article. So after carving out these two things, so we have to find out the total surface area. So total surface area, as we have know that already. So the curved surface area of cylinder, okay, plus here 2 into this curved surface area of this hemisphere. That is curved surface area of hemisphere. That is one hemisphere. Okay. So that is 2 into curved surface of a hemisphere. 2 into one curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. So here for CSA of cylinder, the formula is 2 pi RH. Okay. So here R he has given, that is radius, that is 3.5, and H also he has given. So we will substitute here. 2 into 22 divided by 7 into R means this is 3.5 into H means 10. Okay. So here this is equal to 7 ones are 7 5s are, that is 0.5. So here 0.5 into 10 means 5. So 5 2s are 10. 10 into 22, that is 220. So 220 centimeter square. So this is curved surface area of the cylinder. So now we have to calculate curved surface area of this hemisphere. Okay. Curved surface area of hemisphere. One hemisphere we will calculate first. So hemisphere. This is equal to 2 pi r square. Okay. So 2 pi r square. So this is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into r means this is 3.5 into 3.5. Okay. So 7 ones are 7 5s are. Okay. So 0.5 into 2 means here this is equal to 1. 1 into 22. So 22 into 3.5. So this is equal to, see here, 22 into 3.5. Okay. So 2 5s are 10, 1. So 2 3s are 6 and 7. So here 70. Here this is also. So 770 means, so here only 1 point, that is 77. So this is equal to 77. This is square centimeter. The total surface area now we will calculate. This is TSA is equal to, so here TSA of a cylinder, that is equal to 220 plus 2 into, so CSA of a hemisphere, this is 77. Okay. So now here 220 plus 7 2s are 14, 154. So here 374 square centimeter. Okay. Thank you.